Hello and welcome everyone. I hope you're very excited about this class, and now I want to show you how much money I was able to make so far in this year. Keep in mind, I don't do this full time. So here it is, the amount of sales, and you can see it for the year 2018, and you get them sporadically. You don't get them all the time, but when you do get them, some of them could be pretty good. From around $100 per day to about 15, 20, 50 and so on. Today I got actually zero. The last 7 days I got $83, last 31 days 451, and the last 90 days almost $2,000. How many listings do I have up? I have about 276 listings as of this moment, and the amount of unsold listings is 609. My seller level right now is top rated, with an actual defect rate of 0% for United States level, and the rate shipping is only 0.52%. The amount of sales I was able to make this specific year is nearly $7,000. So keep this also in mind. This is the stats, the dashboard, to show you my current earning. So you know I'm doing this full time and not just actually talking about something I'm not doing right now. I like to teach what I actually do, and I'm teaching it and showing you the same exact things that I'm doing as of this moment. So you can follow me along within my success and your success as well. So here is the breakdown within the total sales of 451 and example of how much of those expenses are going to be into shipping labels, PayPal, and so on. You probably, and your expenses for shipping labels is going to be so much less, especially if you're doing drop shipping. I'm doing a whole combination of wholesaling, selling antiques, and drop shipping all combined, included. So keep this also in mind. Lastly, I want to show you my seller level. In United States, it is top rated. And if they evaluated me today, it is top rated as well with 0 defect rate. Now, if you look it up in the global itself, it is above standard, and the sell performance is above standard as well. The reason why it fell down a notch is because I got a defect rate. So thank you so much for watching, and this actually concludes the section where I talk about how much money I was able to make. And now what is really important is how much money you can make by taking everything that I learned and actually implementing it in the class. So go ahead, take notes, get a notebook out, and get ready to get started making money online.